You saw that, okay? So that wasn't no magic, okay? That wasn't no special effects up in here, okay? So I'm very excited. Hey guys, welcome back. What's up to all my subbies? What's up to all the newbies? Maybe checking me out for the very first time. Get on in here. Come on in. Let's chit chat. This is going to be a really quick update, a little mini update, okay? For those who are already initiated, you know that I like to basically check my progress. I relax every 7 to 8 weeks. I like to check my progress and just make sure that everything is rolling along quite smoothly about halfway. So I can't believe it, but already we're about 4 weeks post-relaxer. So time is really flying, guys. I mean, really, really flying. So we're going to do a little mini update, make sure everything is spick and span and doing what it needs to be doing, okay? And yeah, so I wanted to update you as far as, I know when we last spoke about my hair and where I am, and it's a little dry where I am. I was trying to sort of compensate for the drying and give a little bit more moisture by using the serum on my hair when I style it. And yeah, I did that for a couple weeks and I'm right back to my heat spray from Theorie, okay? Because it gives me more hold. I'm very spoiled at this point, okay? I'm just going to admit it. I'm going to admit it. I'm a little spoiled. I like the extra hold that it gives me, okay, when I curl and flat iron my hair. So I love Paul Mitchell. He and I will never part, okay, as far as serums go. He is the business. But since I've been using the heat spray, I just get more hold. And that's what I like. Especially since I wrap my hair, I don't like it to look super flat as the days go on. I like it to relax, but I don't want it to be super flat. And this just gives me more hold. So I'm back to the Theorie, and I'm also using the Nexus, okay? Just so that we're both on the same page. We know what each other is doing. I sort of go back and forth between the Moroccan oil hairspray and the Nexus. So I've been using the Nexus because it's a softer hold and my ends feel better when I use the Nexus. I believe because this is a softer hold. It's a medium hold and it's combed through. And the Moroccan oil is a stronger hold. And I just want to be careful with my ends. I haven't had an issue per se, okay? But I just want to be careful. So I'm back to the Nexus. Okay? So hashtag OG. So hashtag Holy Grail. That's what we're doing. Okay? So we're going back to the Holy Grail in my regimen, which is the Nexus hairspray. So that's the update as far as the products. Okay? Now, as far as my hair is concerned, you know, we got to check it out. Okay? We got to gauge, check it out. Check out the middle, make sure everything's, you know, copacetic. Okay, so you know the drill. I'm going to check the length. We got to check that middle part, make sure everything is copacetic. And I feel really good. Again, everything's been progressing. So I'm going to turn around. We're going to check that really quick and see what's popping. Okay. Okay, did y'all see that? Did y'all see that? Okay, I am super duper happy. Okay, so again, for those who are familiar, you know, I was barely able to grab my hair when I put my hand behind my back, okay? And now I'm actually able to grab a chunk of it, okay? So we're marching towards progress. We're marching. We're marching. I'm marching. We're marching towards progress. And I am happy. So that's what's up. I am so excited. So with that being said, again, with my ends have been looking pretty good. I'm looking in the mirror. But they've been looking pretty good. Okay, so far so good. And like I said, I did a very light trim. I didn't even go all the way around. I sort of did a little trim in here and I pulled it out. And you know me, I did the little 45, okay? I did the little 45 just to make sure everything was hanging correctly. And I think I did a little bit on this side, but I didn't do a whole 360, okay? But I feel pretty good. No, I feel very good. I feel very good about the progress, okay? Because we can see it. I know you can see it. I can see it. And I can feel it. You saw that, okay? So that wasn't no magic, okay? That wasn't no special effects up in here, okay? So I'm very excited. And yeah, so we are going to be relaxing in about 4 more weeks. And yeah, once we do that, you already know the drill. When I relax, I trim my hair. Okay, so we'll be doing that and we'll be seeing the progress at that point as well. Okay, so I think it's very good to check in with yourself and see the progress. That way, if you see anything that's going kind of left, then you can sort of right the ship, okay, before it totally goes off the track. I know ships aren't on tracks, it's trains, but you get the whole metaphor, right? Traveling, transportation, it's okay. We're talking about hair, okay? It's okay. So with that being said, I'm excited. And I want to hear from you guys how everyone's journey is going as far as length or just the health, because we have to keep each other encouraged, okay? Lots going on still in the world, okay? But that's okay. We're going to stay focused, okay? And we're going to stick with our goals, okay? Stop saying okay. We're going to stay focused and we're going to stick to our goals, okay? And we're going to enjoy the journey, okay? We're going to enjoy the journey. So I wanted to pop in here, give you a little update, show you what I'm working with, okay? So you know my goal is to go to the peaks and eventually get to the valleys, okay? So we marching towards the peaks and we'll get to the valleys, okay? So thank you so much. We were in and out, okay? Let me stop saying okay. So hashtag winning, hashtag progress, hashtag all that, hashtag shine, hashtag happy, super duper happy, okay? Okay, so that's my quick check-in and check-up and mini update. So everybody's caught up, including me. So yeah, that wasn't too bad. We were in and out. So thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, come on back. We're going to be talking about some more stuff as usual. So you make sure you come on back because you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial and it's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back. All right.